Okay, y'all, here we go. So the first step, obviously, is to do the filming. And in my clip, you can watch the original footage to see how that's done. But what you want to do when you get into here is it's going to have you open up CapCut. You can sign in, or you can just click to edit online. Then go to Project and click Upload. So you'll upload your your video there. So here is my clip that I have. So I'm going to bring this down to the timeline. What you do is you film your hand like this. Boom. Okay, now you get out of the chair and go that way. That way, okay. Yeah, because I'm going to do something else. Okay? And then as I'm holding my hand, I'm going to go like this, and wherever I'm going to throw him, I'm going to go boom, boom. Okay, now go to my chair. I'm still filming. Okay, and now I want you to jump backwards into my chair and look surprised. Go ahead. Ah! Okay. So now I'm going to take this and I'm going to turn off the sound. Bring the audio all the way down. It's good to zoom out so you can see what you're doing a little bit. So the first cut you want to make is where I go grab him. So about right there. Okay. So then you click split. And I might have to change that later. Then the next cut, after I get him out of the way, you always have to make sure you tell people to go the opposite way of where you're going. So then right here, before I start moving, I'm going to cut it again. Click on split there, get rid of that. So now we have the movement over there, and then we throw him. Boom, down. So sometimes this gets tricky because you might have to mid-hand, coming down, cut it off. So I'm just going to put it there for now, but it might have to be adjusted. Now, let's see what's next. So then this part, we're waiting for him to come over. So we're going to get rid of all of this. So we're going to get him pretty much mid-air, where he's not grabbing the sides of the chairs, okay? Because it is hard to jump. So we want to get him a little bit mid-air. You can play around with that a little bit. So let's do split. And then this whole section here is gone. So we're going to zoom out a little bit. Let's see how we did. So let's go here. We grab him. Go like this. Now obviously, we're going to speed this up because you will lose your audience's interest pretty quickly. So that isn't exactly matching up yet, but we will make it that way. So like I said, sometimes you need this hand to go a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed everything up because it's just boring. So click on speed and speed that up. Let's speed this one up. Go to speed that up. And this one as well. So let's see how this looks now. Maybe we'll keep your attention. So we got grab them and throw them. Okay, so that's much better. So what's so cool now is you can add sound effects and all that too. So I'm going to stretch this out just so you can see what you're doing. And up under effects over here, I like to use one called shake. You can use whatever you want, but I'm going to put shake right at the beginning of this clip and shorten my shake because I don't need to shake too long. So let's see what that looks like. You can use your space bar to play it. Okay, there's shake. So he's shook. Now another thing you can do is sound effects. So let's go to audio, and there's two different sound effects I want to try. I'm going to try swish for when I grab him, like whoosh. A good swish sound, right? You can make your own sounds if you want. So okay, so I'm going to grab this swish sound and put it right here. So right where I grab him, let's see what swish sounds like. There. So we'll go. Cool. And then here, when I throw him, I'm going to put one, and I like to say boing, boing. That'll work. So we're going to move that sound down here, and it's at the same time as the other one where this clip begins. Just play around with it a little bit, and then you get to go find music. So let's see how this looks. And push. Throw. Okay, I think I need the boing to go longer. Let's try that out. Okay. Then you can go put some music in. See if you can find some that matches it. It's a lot of fun. But when you're done, you just click export. Lots of fun. And there's so many other things you can do. In here, the effects and everything. You just want to think about, like, if you throw somebody, then it would make sense to have shake. But there's other ones too. Have fun.